Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so. You all are fine. As we all are every day meeting with each other, and I'm looking that you are all are also healthy, right? So today we will be start the word problem topic, but before that I'll be take the recap, and before it I want to tell you one inspirational thought which it will give you positively some inspirations to you. Okay, students, this is dream is not which you see while sleeping. Dream is not that which you are taking or which you are looking in your sleep. Sleeping is not the way to get the dream. Dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. सपना वो नहीं है जो आप सोते हुए देखते हैं. This is that जो आपको सोने नहीं देता. Okay, I'm repeating the thought once more. Dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Should I repeat? Yes? Okay. Dream is not which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Clear, student? Yes. Bhavishya, clear to you? Very nice. That's good. Now today we will be start the recap, as we will be do the word problem. In word problem, you know, we can do addition, we can do subtraction, multiplication and division. So I want to take the recap of the topics till now which we have covered, right? As can you tell me, Chirag Singh, what is like decimal? Can you, beta? Yes, speak out. I'm writing few numbers here: 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, 0.235. Okay, are they like? Are they like, Chirag? Yes or no? Yes, very good, Chirag. Very nice. Means he is doing the work. Okay. Now next, I'm writing the numbers I want to add. P. Gopinath, please keep it in mind. What I told you. If they are not like, we have to make the like decimal. How? There is 2 places, there is 3 places. We can make. That's right. Now this is like. I can increase 1 0 here. Now this is like. I'm going to add. This is, I am doing the addition. Okay, what I'll be doing? I have made the like decimals. Then I can add easily. Like 2.300, 4.270 and 0.235. Now it is easier because everywhere the 0 is there where the like decimals are not there. Like 2.3. It is little bit problematic to add. Okay. So I have made the, or this is the rule that first to make the like decimal. 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 7, 1, 8, 6. Now what the answer? 6.805. Right? Same we will be do if we are subtracting these two numbers. 2.3 from 2.7. 2.3 from 2.7. Subtract 2.3 from 4.27. What I will do? I am going to write 4.27. That's right. And this is only 2.3. So I want to make it like. After from whatever is written, first of all we will be write down that number in subtraction. Now it is easier to solve. 12 minus 3 is 9. From here I have taken 1 common. So what is remaining? 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Clear? Gopinath? Clear? Sure. Okay. Thank you. Next I will be go for the multiplication. I told you, you can do direct the multiplication of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, or you can do the division also. Like multiply, they are saying multiply 0.25 by 100. What you will be do? What you have to do? 2500. Simple, we are doing multiplication, and after how many places there is a decimal? 2 places. The same number, if I am going to multiply with 1000, what I will do? 2500 directly. Simple multiplication we have done, and after how many places? 2 places. So I will be put up this. And instead of that 10,000, the same procedure we have to follow. Okay, student. Now if division, if we are doing divide. If you are going to divide 7 3 I am taking by 10, what you will be get? Because 1 0 is there, so after one place we have to put the decimal. I told you this way. If I am going to divide 73 by 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So what I will be do? 1 2. After 2 places I have to put up the decimal. If I am going to divide by 1000, then what I will be do? 3 zeros are there. So 073, and then I have to put up, because there is only 2 places. So by putting 0, we can make 3, and then we will be put up the decimal. I hope so these all the concepts are clear to you. Now today I am coming on today's topic, that is word problem. Okay, students? Student, do you know what is word problem? Word problem mainly based on the day-to-day life problems. Like we are going to purchase the same example, apples. Okay, 1 kg apple cost is 50 rupees, and your mama want to purchase 3 kg apples. Means you are having the cost of less quantity, and you are going to find out the more quantity. What is it? This is word problem. You have to make na ki 1 kg apple cost is this, so 3 kg apple, what is it? So for solving word problem, need to focus what is given in the question and what the statement you have to make for the solution. Okay, so focus to read the question, what is given in it and what they are asking. That is word problem, which is written in the statement form. So solution we are making, whenever we are having the word problem, we will be start with the statement. Okay, cost of 1 kg apples. What is it? This is rupees 60.50, means 60 rupees 50 paisa. Whatever is written after decimal, if you want to recite it in paisa, so rupees and paisa, you can say 60 rupees 50 paisa. Otherwise you can say rupees 60.50. That's right. And they are asking cost of 5.5 kg. Means you are multiplying decimal by decimal. Okay, apples. So what is it? Rupees 60.50 multiplied by 5.5, because the quantity is 5.5 kg, means 5 kg 500 gram. So we will be do simple multiplication. In rough column you will be do 6050. That's right. Now 5 5. So 0 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. Right? I'll be put across. Then again the same, because both the numbers are same. So we can write as it is directly. Right? So what is it? 0 5 7 2 3 3. Now after how many places? Here after 1 place there is a decimal. Here after 2 places. So total how many decimal places? 3. So what will be put? 1 2 3. What is the cost? 332 rupees 750 paisa. Okay, that's right. Can you write? What you want to say? Yes, speak out, students. Think about it fast. Arpit, can you tell me? Yes, tell me. Very good, very good. So can we write this is equal to rupees 332.75 because there is no value of this after the decimal. If it is here, then its value, but it is after the 75, so there is no value of that. We can write hence the cost of 5.5 kg apples is 332 rupees 75. Yes, 0.75. Yes. That's right. Now example 20. Weight of 25 bags of rice is 437.5 kg. Find the weight of one bag of rice. You are having the weight of 25 bags. Now you are going to find out the weight of one bag. Kanishka, yes, what will we do? You are having more, you are going to find out less. Speak out, beta. Yes, division. Very good. What will we do? Division. Okay, so write down the statement. How many students can write the statement by their own? Very nice, very nice. All my students are too good. That's right. So I am going to write down the statement. Tell your statement. Weight of 25 bags equals to 437.5 kg. Right. Now you are going to find out the weight of one bag. Weight of one bag. You can write 25 bags of rice, or you are writing if this one, this is also okay. Okay, students, this is also right. So 437.5 divided by 25. Good. So where we can do divide? In the rough column. 25. You will be draw the rough column at the right hand side. I told you. 25 is the divisor and dividend is 437.5. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are Daksh. 50. Very good. So this is greater. So 25 ones are 25. Right. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now what you have to note down? 7. 25 6 are 150. 25 7s are. Do it. 25 7s are 35. 5 carry 3. 14 and 3 70. And 8s are 200. So what will we do? 7s are. This is 175. That's right. 2 is there. 1 is there. Now decimal is there. So I am putting here. And 25 5s are. 125. That's right. You can complete by your own the division. I got the answer. The weight of 1 kg is 17.5 kg. Weight of one bag is 17.5 kg. Hence the weight of one bag is 17.5 kg. Hence the weight of one bag of rice is 17.5 kg. Clear, students? Note it down very fast. Yes, have you written? Have you written, Kunal? Yes, very good. Students, example number 21 is area and breadth of a rectangle. If area and breadth of a rectangle are 31.25 centimeters square and 2.5 centimeters respectively. Do you know the meaning of respectively? Whatever is earlier written, that is the value. Area is written before the breadth. So this is area and this is breadth. And you can identify by the unit also. Area unit is square unit, yeah, centimeter square, meter square, whatever square, meter square, centimeter square, that is. Find the length of the rectangle. As we know the area of rectangle. Arpit, can you tell me? Arpit, why you are thinking too much, beta? This is you have done in the previous classes. No. Ayush Gupta? Yes. Speak out, beta. Very good. Very good. What is it? Length into breadth. Very good. Area of rectangle. First of all, I am writing area of rectangle In that we will be write down the formula and then we can do. This is length into breadth. And what we are going to find out? Length. So we can write length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is equal to, what is it? Area upon breadth. We are having area and breadth. Are we having better? Note down fast. Yes, right. I am getting the voice. Someone is saying 31.5 divided by 2.5. Very good, beta, very good. Whosoever is taking initiative for that, this is the positive point. Okay, because maths is based on practice. So 31.25 divided by 2.5. So first of all, we will be trying to remove the decimal as it is in divisor also. So what we can do? There is two places after the decimal and there is one place which is more 2. So what we will do? Multiply by 100 in numerator and in denominator. So what we will be get? I am going to erase the question. I am not erasing the solution. I am erasing the question. Okay. So yes, speak out. What will we do? Very good. Who is speaking? Who is? Shweta. Shweta, very good. This is 3125 upon 250. That's right. So we can divide it easily. Let's try. In the rough column, 250 is the divisor and 3125. That's right. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 5. 25 twos are 50. Yes. So if 250 twos are, that is 500. So ones are 250. 2, 11 minus 5 is 6. We have taken carry, so there is nothing. What is it? 5. 25 twos are 500. 25 threes are 75. It's greater, so twos are. This is 500. So what is it? 5, 2 and 1. Now there we can put up one decimal and we can increase the 0. 25 5s are 125. So what it will be? 5s are 1250. Then the remainder is 0. Right? So what is the length of the rectangle? This is 12.5. It is given in meter or centimeter? In which it is given? In centimeter square or centimeter. So length always in centimeter. Hence the length of the rectangle is 12.5 centimeter. Is it clear, student? Hence you have to write down by your own. By your own. I told you what is the way to write. Clear, students? Now student, I want to tell you how to put up the decimal, and if somebody is asking to you what is the decimal place? How? Like 0.9 multiplied by 0.05. So as we know, 9 5s are 45. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. How many places after we have to put up the decimal? 9 5s are 45 and there is 3 places. So what I will do? I will be put up 0 and then we can put up decimal. So how many decimal places are here? 3. How many? 3. Good. Next is 4.4 multiplied by 0.2. 4 2s are 8. What is it? 8. And how many decimal places? 1 and 1. Total 2. So what I will do? I will be put up 0 and then I can put up the decimal. I want to make the like. Then I can put up. Like how it will be like? Means 1 and 1. 2. 2 decimal places there is. So we will be put up in this way. How many number of decimal places here? 2. 1, 2. 2. 18 3s are 54. That's right. 54 is 2-digit number and there is a decimal after 3 places because there is 2 and there is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what I will be make? I will be put up 0 and then insert the decimal. How many? 1, 2, 3. How many decimal places? 3. Similarly, 45 multiplied by 5. This will be 225. What it will be? 225. Now we will count the decimal places. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. and we are having the answer 225. Yes, Arush, what will we do? Yes, count. We have counted 3 and here is 4. How will we make 4? Yes, beta, very good. By putting the 0, we have made the 4 digit. Now, afterwards, I will be put up the decimal. So, answer will be 0.0225. That's right. How many decimal places are there? 4 decimal places. Right, students? I hope so. You have to understand. Do all the question, and there is in practice section workout. Workout page is given. Okay, that page you will be doing in homework. Homework is workout. Work it out. The heading is work it out. So you will be doing in homework. Work it out. Work it out. This is practice section. Practice section of chapter. Which chapter you are doing? Yes, chapter 4. So look at the back of the book. There is practice section. In that, work it out is given. That work it out you will be doing in the notebook, and heading should be there. Work it out, practice section. I want each and every work of mathematics in the notebook because this is practice based. Maths, if you are doing more practice, you can get more from the maths. Okay? So thank you. Have a nice day, students.